Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be looking at an animal called whales. So let's begin. I'm pretty sure you guys heard of whales. So let's look at which type of animal a whale is. Well, a whale is a marine mammal. They are marine mammals. Let me explain why this is. Whales are underwater creatures which have warm blood, which are warm-blooded animals, which is the reason why they're called marine mammals, because mammals have warm blood and marine animals live underwater. Let's look at the two types of whales. The first type is the baleen whales, and the second type are the toothed whales. As you can tell from the names, one of the types of the whales have teeth and the other don't. Well, you were correct. Baleen whales don't have teeth, and toothed whales, which says in the name, have teeth. As you can see, there are billions of types of whales, not billions, thousands of types of whales in the world. This is an image of all the types of whales in the world, from the smallest to the biggest. The biggest whale, as you all know, or should know, is the blue whale, Arctic blue whale. These creatures can grow up to 90 feet tall. As you can see, this diver is way smaller than this Arctic blue whale, and they can weigh up to 33 elephants. Can you believe that? Now, let's look at the smallest whale. Well, I think you wouldn't have known this, but the smallest whale is the dwarf sperm whale. Now, fun fact. Humpback whales in the southern hemisphere live off their fat reserve for 5.5 to 7.5 months each day, as they migrate from their tropical breeding grounds to the Arctic to feed on krill. So as you can see, humpback whales are toothed whales, as humpback whales have teeth. Now let's look at the biggest predator in the whales universe. So as you can see, the killer whale, which says in its name, is the largest predator in the whale family. Killer whales are also a type of dolphin, so they're basically like a dolphin whale, and they're a predator. Now let's look at some other fun facts about whales. Did you know whales can only give birth to 5 cows, or in other words, 5 baby whales? Did you know whales sleep vertically underwater? And they also rest like that too. Did you know whales are the largest animals in the world? Not just the largest underwater animal, but the largest animal of the world. So, I hope you enjoyed this video about whales. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!